Why laughing food matters. We all know food fuels us, but did you know it can uplift us too? When you cook and eat with a light-hearted spirit, you trigger positive emotions, reduce stress, and even strengthen social bonds. Food becomes more than calories. It becomes joy on a plate. Emotional impact. Sharing a funny recipe or plating your meal in a playful way engages your brain's reward centers.
Ho, ho, ho!
Social connection. Laughing around the table builds memories. It turns an ordinary dinner into an extraordinary experience. Mindful enjoyment. When you approach cooking with curiosity and fun, you pay closer attention to flavors and textures. Boosting satisfaction. 3 laughing food ideas to try today.
Ho, ho, ho!
1. The smiley-face pancake stack.
Ho, ho, ho!
Whip up pancakes and arrange berries and banana slices into big grins. Invite friends or family to decorate their own faces. Prepare for laughter overload as designs get wilder. Taco jokes. Write silly food puns on small cards. For example, why did the tortilla turn red? It saw the salsa, and place them in shells.
Ho, ho, ho!
Every bite comes with a joke, guaranteed to have everyone giggling between mouthfuls. 3. Surprise inside muffins. Fill muffin centers with unexpected ingredients, cheese, jam, or even a marshmallow. The moment someone bites in and discovers the surprise is pure. Infectious delight. Tips to keep the fun going.
Ho, ho, ho!
Embrace imperfection. Laugh at the pancake that flopped or the taco that fell apart. Those oops moments make the best stories. Cook with friends virtually. Host a video call, cook alike, compare creations, and share live reactions. Document the fun, snap photos, or record quick clips of reactions to build a laughing food highlight reel. Remember, life's too short for bland meals and serious faces.
Ho, ho, ho!
Let food be your playground. Create, share, and most importantly, laugh. Your next meal isn't just about flavor. It's about the joy you stir into every dish. If you loved these ideas, hit like, subscribe, and drop your own laughing food creations in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking, keep laughing, and keep living your healthiest, happiest life.
Ho, ho, ho!